Guys, so I got this delivery from this Benchmade. They said it's from China. I don't know what's inside, but so let's find out. I'm gonna box it. It's gonna be so hard for opening it. You hear it? I want to see it. Come on, you want to see it? What is it? Oh wait, I'm gonna put the camera down. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera down and then what is this? What's this? Please be a knife.
Yes, finish.
Oh no, it's a comb. My first delivery. I got 2 of them. See? Wanna see? Jeez, it's not Photoshop. This one, you know this one? I forgot what this one said. This one keeps on falling. Yeah. These.
What if I going to go to my school?
What?
What if I to go to my school myself?
Look at this. I'll be back in the. Yo guys, the handle fall. Huh? Okay, bye bye.